Hello, welcome back to the channel. It's me, Searbear, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Searbear. It is so nice to meet you. Dun 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 dun. I am back today with another recipe from the Final Fantasy XIV Cookbook. What are we making today? Oh my god, I am so glad you asked. We are making Ishgardian Muffins. Wow, this is what they're supposed to look like. They're not English muffins, they're Ishgardian muffins. They're from a regional cuisine of Carithus. Here's how it looks in the game, very cute. And we have a little section right here. Difficulty easy. Yeah, this is definitely an easy one. And then I also have it like 2 breads in a row. I know, but like, look. Bread. English muffins, breakfast sandwiches, you know? But it's also not very many steps. It's all like 5 steps and not a lot of ingredients. That's my favorite part about bread. Even though it still freaks me out, it's not that many ingredients. And I also had like most of it because of the previous times. That's one of the cool parts about bread. But let's see what it says. You can find these delicious muffins at the Jewel de Crozier in Ishgard. But where is the fun in that? Mashing dough is lots of fun, yes. And things you make yourself always taste better. I've been trying to explain this to Magria, but she is certain that food tastes better when other people make it. Oop. She said food is even better still if you receive it as a gift. But I'm starting to grow suspect of all the gifts that she finds. Oh, and it has it like little stressed out. That's so cute. So it's difficulty easy, prep time 30 minutes, rest time 12 to 18 hours. Yeah. But I mean, that's what happens with bread. Cook time 10 minutes per batch, and it makes 10 to 12 muffins. That's a lot of muffins. And dietary notes, dairy, vegetarian. Woohoo! There's not a lot of equipment either, so I don't know. I'm just really looking forward to making this. Alright, let's go ahead and I already got everything all gathered, so let's go ahead and see what we need for this recipe. And here are all of the ingredients. Woohoo! Wow. There are so many. I can literally mess up from step 1. What if I like mess up the dough? I don't know. No. We have to keep trying with bread. It'll go good. Maybe I'm worried I'm gonna burn them too, but I have a lid. I have a pan with a lid. Like a decently sized one, not the huge ones or like the Dutch oven or whatever. Now I actually have one. Yeah, I don't know. I think it'll go fine. I don't know. I'm just gonna do step 1 and just see how it goes. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. In a large bowl, combine the bread flour, whole wheat flour, salt, sugar, and yeast. In a small bowl, combine the oat milk, water, butter, and heat to melt the butter. Let the mixture cool until it registers at 100 to 110 degrees Fahrenheit on a kitchen thermometer. Pour the cooled oat milk mixture into the flour mixture and combine until the dough just comes together. It should be a little sticky but manageable. If it is too sticky, add additional bread flour. Form into a rough dough. Brush a bowl with oil and place the dough in it. Brush the top of the dough with oil. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours or up to 18 hours. Dust a work surface slightly with flour. Remove the dough from the refrigerator and transfer to the floured surface. Punch the dough ball and lightly knead for 1 minute. Shape the dough into a ball. Cover with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest for 1 hour. Just like that? Do I need to put it in a bowl? I usually put it in a bowl. Spread cornmeal over a baking sheet and set aside. Roll out the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Using a 3-inch round cookie cutter, cut out as many rounds as possible and transfer them to the prepared baking sheet. You should have 10 to 12 rounds. Cover the baking sheet with a kitchen towel and let the dough rise once more until the rounds have puffed up slightly, about 1 hour. Set a large non-stick pan over medium heat. Place 3 or 4 of the rounds in the pan about 1 inch apart. Cover with a lid and cook until the bottoms of the muffins have turned golden brown, 5 to 6 minutes. Flip the muffins over and cook uncovered until the other side turns golden brown, 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and let cool. Repeat with the remaining rounds. The muffins can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for about 5 days. Alright, and here's the reveal. Oh my god! Okay, these will ignore these, but look at all the other ones! They look like English muffins! I mean, Ishgardian muffins! Oh my god, like, they're tiny, but like, oh my god, they look like it. I already tried putting some away, but oh my god. It's too small to fit the patty. Now it is time to try it. I'm so excited. I don't know, it's too like, do you see the size disproportion? But at least it's still like English muffin size. That tastes pretty good. Wow. That actually tastes pretty good. I am actually surprised on how I was making the English muffins. I thought I was going to throw them at the oven at some point, which is why I like prepped the baking sheet, but I didn't need to. It was literally just making it into the pan, which is really cool. I didn't know I could do that. But then again, I also just don't know what goes into making English muffins. So, I mean, Ishgardian muffins, my bad. But oh my God, it's so good. Like, it tastes so much better than the store-bought ones. Who would have thought? Wow. I'm really excited to have these and just make some sandwiches out of it. I also made too many, I guess, because like there was so much extra dough, but I guess because I made them too small. And now I have like so much extra. I'm gonna make so many freaking breakfast sandwiches, dude. Set for the week. Everybody's about to get a breakfast sandwich. Heads up. We got another bread one done. Oh my gosh. That's exciting. And another Final Fantasy one. Oh my gosh. Do I have a game update for you? Not really. No. All I've done is the Beast Tribes. And then I logged back in and I didn't remember where they were and I was too lazy to Google where they were, so I haven't been getting my reputation up at all. But I have been listening to a lot of Final Fantasy music, specifically 14 music. It's so good. It's just so good. And I'm a huge fan of the Endwalker night themes. Well, I'm a general fan of all the night themes. And I listen to them on repeat because it's just so good. So that's all I've been doing in the game or anything related to the game. I think it's really cool that I made English muffins. It really wasn't that bad. Like with all bread, it is really time consuming. So just a lot of waiting and resting and stuff. And I made the muffins too small, I think. So there's that. But hey, I feel really proud of it. I feel really proud of it actually. So I mean, and they look like the picture. So wow. What do you guys think of English muffins? Or I'm sorry, I keep calling them English muffins. What do you guys think of Ishgardian muffins? Do you guys like them on your breakfast sandwiches? Do you like breakfast sandwiches? What do you guys like? Like I like my favorite ones are personally the bagel ones, but these are a close second, like as the little buns. So will I eat them by myself? Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes put them in the toaster and some butter. The raisin ones, my dad used to always have us eat the raisin English muffins growing up, and I hated them, but then I started craving them when I got older. Darn you. Good for you, or whatever, I don't know. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. What did you guys think of this video? If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and a comment. Tell me what your favorite part was down below. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day for watching through this video and making it until the end. I hope you all have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys around in the next video. Or not, or whatever. I'll be around. Okay, bye! I'm gonna put it in a bowl. I don't know, should I? I must have tried on this.